What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about creating an Intune policy to hide Office 365 update notifications using Intune. So let's get right into it. All right, so first thing that we need to do is log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. There we go. On the left-hand side, let's click on Show All, and let's locate Microsoft Intune. Once you locate it, click on it. Boom, it takes us right here into the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. On the left-hand side, we are going to click on Devices. And once you click on that, it is going to load up the devices overview. Underneath by platform, we are going to locate Windows. So locate it and click on it. Once you're here, we're going to go underneath Manage Devices and click on Configuration. We're going to click on Create. It will give us a nice sub menu with two options, and guessed it, we are going to click on New Policy, and that will provide a side menu. For platform, we are going to click on the drop down and we're going to select Windows 10 and later. And for the profile type, we're clicking that drop down and we're going to select Settings Catalog. At the very bottom, we are going to click on Create, and it is time for us to configure our new policy. First thing that we need to do is give it a name, and this is what I am going to give it. Yes, I said hi Microsoft 365 updates because I know back then it used to be Office 365 and Microsoft decided to change it to Microsoft 365. So which way is the correct way? I don't know. I'm going to leave it as Microsoft 365. But you are able to change it to Office 365. It's the same thing. We're going to be hiding the update notifications, okay? Once you set the name and you are able to provide a description, it is up to you. We're going to click on Next at the very bottom, so click on it. It's time for us to configure this. Click on Add Settings. That is a hyperlink, and we're going to click on it, and you're going to get a side menu. Settings Picker. For the search, this is what we are going to enter. Hide update notifications. Hit enter or click on search. I'm going to hit enter on the keyboard, and you're only going to get one option. So select that option, and at the very bottom, you're going to get an additional option. So check that off. And at the upper right-hand side, click on the X to close the settings picker. This is a pretty easy option. All you have to do is slide it to your right to enable it, and that's it. You're done. Click on Next. For tags, I typically don't add any tags, but Microsoft was nice enough to provide a tag, and it's called default. So I'm going to click on Next here. For assignments, I am going to assign this to a group. So I'm going to click on Add Groups and select my group, and I'm going to click on Select. Click on Next, a nice little review, click on Create, and on the upper right-hand side, it's going to state policy created successfully. Awesome. Give it some time. And there goes our new policy. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.